And here's the new rocker panel look here. As you can see, that's a new rocker panel, nice and shiny. See that? Beautiful. It's gonna be looking closer to the finished product. Okay guys, here the box is on, but I didn't put the bolt yet because right now it's temporary because I need to paint this side here, the inner side of the box here, so that it will make same color as this. Not really a big deal, but I need to repaint this thing. Now I'm gonna put the hoist on the top right there. I'm gonna wrap a chain underneath here and lift the box out once I need to paint the inner side or the front side of the box here. And once it's this one, it'll lift it with a hoist to make it stable there. I wanna lift up a little bit high enough so that you can take the truck, move forward the truck a bit, and I can paint the inner side of the box. But for now, I'm doing some body works and I'm doing some rocker panel here. So for now, I'm gonna do the body works first. Then once I'm done the rocker panel, I can start moving this truck forward, and I'm gonna rocker guard the rocker panel and paint this side here at the same time. Okay, let's gonna do the rocker panel and finish this truck as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, you can see here it's very rusted out of the left rear of the rocker panel. So I noticed that the front one is still good, pretty solid, just until here. So I'm gonna cut until here in the middle and cut the whole rust out there. Here's the replacement. This is slip-on type, so it's gonna be nice after. So I'm gonna cut in half too, just cut it to what we need. Okay, right on the side. Guys, from here. So here we go guys, here's the new panel here. So before I glue this to the rocker there, I tape up the edge of the where the glue will stick on, because I'm gonna paint this one here with the rust paint to avoid rust in the future. So here where the tape is, that's the glue. We'll glue into the metal here, grinded metal. So we're gonna spray that with the anti-rust paint so that it will dry. And before we're gonna put that dry already, we put the glue and glue into the panel. Okay, spray that. Good. Now I can take a bit. There you go. That's the panel painted. Alright guys, as you can see here, I pre-mount the new panel here. I clamp it down and I make some holes, pre-drill holes in that, so that I can put the rivets so that it will stick more good, and just in case my glue won't stick to the rusted parts, some rusted part there. So I'm gonna put the glue on this panel, I'm gonna take it off and put it back on. We're gonna glue it, we're gonna clamp it, I'm gonna take it down now, and I'm gonna put the glue. Everything is set up there. That's where it goes. So I put the markings here so that when I put this thing back, I know where it goes. So this thing here, line here a little bit, the line here too. Before we're gonna do that, everything is ready here. I have a screw here, like I'm gonna put some screw here so that it will stick pretty good. Some clamps, so make sure they're ready. So let's gonna do that. Okay guys, right here is my glue, metal bonding glue, medium. So we're gonna put the glue in it. So I squeeze this one guys, my squeezer doesn't really work good, so I hate to not mixing it properly. That's why I'm gonna manually mix it to the here. Sometimes plug it won't mix properly. So my squeezer gun's not working good. A little bit messy. Guys, everything's ready. Now we're gonna stick it on over here. Everything's glued. Got some glue here, so we're gonna put it on. You're gonna see the markings. Now I need to squeeze it a little bit. Okay guys, everything is clamped up there. It's looking good. So let's gonna wait until tomorrow. I'm gonna leave this clamp overnight. So it's ready to put some fiberglass tomorrow. Right on. Good job. Okay guys, good morning. Another day, another big job. So now it's ready to take off these clamp out. So we're gonna take it off and pull the screws out too. It goes grinded, so I'm gonna put some another fiberglass there. Now I recoated with a lightweight body filler there, a little bit, not much. So just enough to fill the rough surface, but doesn't need to be fancy because it's we gonna texture that anyway, so it's good enough. That's the last coat. Just to level everything, so it's good to go. Let's wait, gonna be dried. I'm gonna sand it final. I'm gonna prime it and put a texture in it. Okay guys, we're gonna stop a little bit here. I'll show you something here. So everything is masked up and ready to spray the primer. Then after the primer, we're gonna top coat with the rocker guard. And then after the rocker guard, we're gonna put the anti-rust on top of it. So that's the plan. So everything masked up here. That's the inside. So we're gonna do that rocker guard on the lower bottom ledge. Same thing as the other side here. Everything is masked up. Everything, the doors are taken out. So that's the doors there. So, right on. Everything's ready to go. Right on. Right there. So I'm gonna shut off the fan first. I'll show you. So it's not totally mask everything, just the way that you don't overspray something there. So we're gonna spray the primer right now. So guys, let's go. So that's it guys, everything is primed. We're just gonna wait for like half an hour to dry, and we're gonna spray the rocker guard. Same thing as the other side here. Okay, now the primer is dry already. Now we can apply the rocker guard on the top of it. See this? I'm using a gravel guard, black rocker guard, Dominion Sure Seal. So before applying this rocker guard, you have to mask up, right? So I give you the trick here. The first line of the masking, that's the line where the rocker guard ended. So once I'm done painting the rocker guard, I need to take it off right away, because if you don't take it off right away, it will stick and it's hard to take off once it dries. So once you're done painting spraying the rocker guard, take it off right away. So I mean here, same thing. I do the first line is for the rocker guard, take it off right away, and the second line, that's the line when you paint the anti-rust paint, the top coat after the rocker guard will dry. So you have to wait, like it says here, 4 to 6 hours. So probably in 4 hours after spraying this, it will be ready for applying the anti-rust paint in this whole rocker panel here. So let's do that, and then get a nice line of edges there. So you have to make sure that you have to pull your line tape there for the rocker guard after you finish spraying this. Okay, let's go. here we go. It's all rocker guarded, nice and clean. So we're gonna wait until 4 hours to dry, and we're gonna top coat it with base coat, and we're gonna clear coat it. It's gonna make it nice and shiny. Okay, stunning rocker guard, shiny. Other side too. That's it there. Nice. Look at that. Everything is nice and smooth. Alright guys, I'm ready to paint the base coat. It's the rocker guard is dried already, so it's ready to spray the base coat. So now we're going to spray a clear coat. The base is dry already. 15 minutes. Hello guys, what's up? Good morning again. And here's the new rocker panel look here. As you can see, that's a new rocker panel, nice and shiny. See that? Beautiful. It's gonna be looking closer to the finished product. But here I move forward a little bit because I need to sand this all there. So right here in the right hand side, nice and shiny and smooth. Look at that new rocker panel look. Beautiful. So here, look at this guys here. Lots of sandpapers. So we're gonna clean that out. That's the box there. So I move the truck a little bit here so they can sweep up this dust. I'm gonna paint the box. I'm gonna paint this box here, the front of the box. I'm gonna paint it today. So stay tuned guys. Gonna watch this whole video restoring this beautiful truck Ram 1500. Okay, let's start this. Sweeping this out here, clean up everything here, and I'm gonna paint that front of the box.